Hello everybody, this is Niko Menkov and Niko Menkov Photography, and today we're gonna have another photography adventure trip, and today we're traveling to beautiful state of Oregon. Oregon, it's a beautiful state to do landscape pictures. We actually been there for a few days, so we're gonna show you our adventure and the locations we've been taking pictures and photos. So you guys can come over and travel and do the same thing with you. So we are right now in Cannibal Beach, and we're gonna mark you our guys on the map so you can. Wish me luck to get into the water. I don't know what I'm exciting myself for. That's so beautiful.
I don't want to go by the rock, but
No, it's dangerous.
at the same time I'm scared.
It's very dangerous, they told us.
Actually, I think I don't want to get in. I feel already so nervous. I just remember my experience in Kauai.
In Kauai experience. Yeah, if you watch our previous video. Holy moly, it's cold! I'm not even deep yet.
I saw you.
Holy colder than it was in Kauai.
Oh yeah, it's freezing.
No way, it's more freezing in Kauai for sure.
Hawaii was fun.
Yes, the water was way warmer in Kauai.
Yeah, I don't know. The
Maybe
Pacific
because
Ocean-
Oregon is much more northern.
No, I mean Pacific Ocean in general, but all these coasts is cold. Same thing in Peru. The water is
But
cold.
surprisingly in Hawaii it was not like that cold.
Yes, that's what I was surprised, but it was because it was an island, so I'm pretty sure that's why it gonna have a different high temperature.
Plus the Kauai location is very like, I think it's in the center of the globe. Maybe that's
I
why.
think I wanna make it. I like the waves. I'm feel scared already, so
She feels scared with the waves. I don't blame her. Kind of my feet gonna accumulate it with the water. She's gonna stay there. I'm still gonna try a little bit get inside the cold water. Even if it's a 50 Fahrenheit degrees, it's freaking freezing. I see a guy there. Oh my god, people are swimming here. It is cold. Oh my god, what I'm excited myself for. I'm just gonna walk with reverse. Woo! Woo! It's cold! It's freaking cold. Besides that, the people that here, they have the yes, they have the suits,
yeah.
so they kind of keeps the body heat, you know.
That's why I'm pretty sure like a lot of people in Peru too, they use wetsuits for surfing because it's super cold. So I never thought like why people can wear such a big thing if it's super hot in summer. But now I can tell why, because if you go really deeper, the deeper you go inside, the colder
It's
it
much
is.
more colder.
So yeah, that's why.
Oh my god, it's all clouds.
Wow,
All of it.
wow. Imagine all the churros and la characa we're getting from.
No, you're not supposed to touch them. Apparently they help us to clean the plastic pollution in the water. The rock. The whole rock just stuck with them.
It's warm in here. It's a nice thing.
Yeah, it's kind of warm, right?
Yeah.
Maybe they kind of help with the temperature of the water. That's why fishes like
So
it.
they're growing here.
That's the baby growing, I think so.
Don't touch it. Yeah, it definitely smells so safe.
It's a water bug right there. I don't know if it's dead or alive, but it's huge. I don't want to touch it. I have no idea if it's poison or it's just gonna bite me. But you see that? That's pretty cool.
Oh my god, I love the conchitas there. Can I just swim here?
After we give up of trying to dive into the cold water, we decided to walk around the beach and see what we can get.
I see the moving part. So interesting. Smells of fruit so much, huh? Yeah, that's cold. Ooh, look at this Melissa, look at this beautiful, man. I didn't realize that. See how it moves? It moves. Super cool. Like the whole rock kind of alive. Become with them. Interested. And here we are doing our sunset picture. We were waiting for this the whole day just to capture this. Ta 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 ta. Seagulls. Well, we're definitely enjoying our beach time.
I love
Me too. It's only problem is just cold. It's too cold. I don't think I'm ready for Antarctica or something like that. If we ever want to go.
Well, I think you will. It's just adjust your body to the temperature, to be honest, because even though the water is so cold, I enjoy it.
Yeah, somehow it is you find way to enjoy.
Yes, I did enjoy it.
And if you watch our video before, the water rise way more than we came here the first time. So yeah, during the night the water just rise up much more. One of the tour guy actually was explaining it's because of the pressure of the moon, the gravity, and it pushed the water more. Very interested. And that's how the life here survives. That's why you should not disturb it and just enjoy it from far away.
So we're gonna end this video with this beautiful sunset. I hope you guys enjoyed watching until this part. This is a beautiful location. We're gonna show you more locations, so keep watching.
And here you go, we're in the falls. Who knew you have to pay for the parking? Well, only $2, but they let you in on sort of hours. But you can still go away, but they're telling me you want to go to the restaurant here in a local restaurant. And that's what we did. Just to skip the long wait. Oh wow, it's so beautiful here. And there we are, trying to find another location of our waterfall. Okay. So we're trying to find the best spot we can so we can get just the waterfall, not too much details. We're not trying to get too much. Always spotting more locations, trying to get more different angles than just one. Pretty bright day for taking pictures. I wish I have my ND filter so I can block it away, but the good thing, I'm kind of covered by the sun, so the whole rock covers it, so it gives me an opportunity to close the aperture to 22, and I can do like maybe like 1/3 of the minute to slow down the waterfall, but that's the best I can do so far. With the ND filter you can play with it much more. Very beautiful.
So guys, you see this big mountain on the way. This is Mountain Hood. So we're driving to find the best spot where we can take the picture of this mountain, and I was scavenging over the map to find a nice lake view so it can reflect the mountain. So we found this Lake Lawrence. We show you the location on the map, so you can guys go there and maybe you want to recapture the same place. The only thing we didn't show you the road on the video, but we got it close, and it's kind of was like off-road. So take a SUV with you, don't come with a small car, be better.
So cold here. We did not come prepared for it. Physically. Mentally yes, physically not. But this is beautiful. Oy. Yeah.
So we didn't get any water reflection from the previous lake, so we got a new lake location that's on the other side of the mountain. So we took another day trip to get there, so it actually looked much better for my opinion, so definitely recommend you to go to visit this Lake Trillium. It's a nice place, you can actually swim there and have fun.
Here we are.
Here we are, another spot. We found
Beautiful spot.
a beautiful spot. We can see the Mountain Hood. It's not the most clear one right now. It's pretty busy. We can see many people come here to take pictures.
So we come to the end, so I hope you guys enjoy watching this beautiful Mountain Hood. You can come and recreate your images in this location. We recommend you guys. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and put a like video so we can make more videos like this one. Bye bye.